Thank you for taking the time to view my listing. Wonderfully peaceful area. Located just outside of city limits, this beautiful western red cedar and brick home is one of a kind. Property has Prairie Creek flowing around the backside west/great swimming holes and the country club golf course hole number 2 joining the other. Alaskan double-hung windows and sliding glass doors west/deck. Detached 28 by 34, 2-car garage west/deck on back. Propane heat west/large attic space for storage. Concrete drive. Many new updates.